National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bell County in Central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salado, or near Belton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Another severe storm is located near Killeen. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Killeen, Temple, Cuppers Cove, Harker Heights, Belton, Fort Hood, Nollenville, Morgan's Point Resort, Salado, Little River Academy, Troy, Rogers and Holland. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 277 and 313. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure.